The new girl. Ines is a girl who arrived from Italy to her new school at the beginning of the last quarter. At first, she will not be very popular. It all starts with the most popular guys in class playing a practical joke on her. You will meet three guys with whom she will create a beautiful and strong friendship and with whom she will face the challenges that the end of the course presents. The culmination of the quarter is a dance contest proposed by the team physical education teacher. In addition, Ines will have to catch up with all the subjects to be able to pass the grade.
Have you seen the new girl? Yes, that's the one who is at the door with the head teacher and the lady who is probably her mother.
Yes, I noticed. What weird music was.
Hi guys!
Hi!
Before I start the class, I want to introduce you to our new student. Her name is Ines. Ines, why don't you introduce yourself to our classmates?
Hello, my name is Ines. I'm from Naples and I've moved to the city because my mom has changed jobs. I'm very happy to be in this school.
And you go. That's my chair. Don't even think about sitting there. Ah, welcome to the class, the girl.
Stop fooling around, Chris, and get all the mad books for topic 8.
After the first class, the teacher of physical education enters the classroom.
Good morning, guys! Good morning! Wow, we started the last quarter. You already know that we must put into practice everything we have learned throughout the course, and that the final grade will be a choreography in groups of 4. Moreover, the best group will be represent their class in the annual school contest. So, guys, at the end of class, you must tell me which members are going to form the groups. Oh, Ines, why don't you join the 3 guys, the Lego member, and I think it will be good for you to be with them. Well, guys, before leaving, please tell me the group members.
Good luck with the new kid, you jerks. Sure, you'll do great.
Do not listen to her. Do your best.
How was it, darling? I have realized who I am and that almost everyone laughs at me. So, not valuable. Well, I love the fact that you take things with humor.
A new day has been born, and Miss puts on her best clothes to make herself feel good. She has decided that it will be her day and she will not lose any opportunities. Her mother accompanies her to the classroom door.
How cute you are, Ines. Is there a boy that you like? No, Mom. I want to make a good impression on my classmates and see if I can make a friend. You don't need to dress like that to get one. See on the way out. I'm going to deliver your documents to the director. Good morning, guys. How are you? I'm Ines.
Don't you think maybe you should have said something to the neighbor? I think she feels very lonely. It's normal, she's new, but you saw how badly she was treated yesterday. These people are already looking down on us. To put Ines in the group would make things even worse. So I don't think that's a good idea. I agree. I think we should just let go and continue with the outflow. Well, I'm going to say hello to make you feel less alone. You already saw a chance. How is Nicholas? My name is Mika. Sorry for not saying everything before, but you got me by surprise.
Hello, Mika. Don't worry about it.
Welcome to the class. I'm happy to have you as well.
What's up, Mika? Making new friends?
Well, it was my decision, Gary. It seems to me that you have already used the blow dryer this morning and you drying this eye dryer up.
How funny. Let's see if you will laugh as much on other occasions.
Do not listen to him, Ines. He is an idiot. He thinks he's good. Well, a pleasure to meet you. Well, I see a part of each other now. Well, Ines, we come to our group. We are Maria, Andrea, and my name is Lucia. We are probably the worst dancer, but we love books.
Thanks, guys. Nice to meet you all. I have not understood anything in math class. And now, from what I see, I think I won't learn anything about literature either. I think I won't pass any subject.
Don't worry, Ines. We will help you with the subjects and we will do what we can so that you pass and get out to speak quickly.
Really? You don't know how grateful I am, guys.
At the end of the day, again her mother picks her up, but this time Ines returns with a smile.
It seems that today was much better than yesterday. I've made friends, Mom. They're going to help me with everything and help me pass. I told you you would make friends soon.
Days later, the four students are already a united group, laughing all the time. Kevin and his group want to see what is so funny. They are talking about how awkward Mary and Lucy are for the dance, and Ines encourages them and assures them that in the end they will do a great job.
What's up with parade? Thinking about winning the competition?
Leave us alone. We haven't done anything to you.
Taking care of Kevin. The kid is born on her clothes.
Hey, you girl, have you already bought a pair of glasses to fit the group? Huh?
Come on, stop wasting time and let's rehearse. What the hell is going on here? It's all right, Kevin. Get out of here. Ines, I didn't expect you to have a behavior like that.
The next day, during PE class, they come into first contact with the dance. The teacher asks for a volunteer group to do a small demonstration to break the ice.
So, who wants to give it a try?
Teacher, you show them what you are made of.
We gonna ride till we fall. They say we got no future at all. They wanna keep us out, can't hold us down anymore. We gonna ride till we fall. Let me hit the bottom.
Good job, guys. Any other group? Yes.
You say you love me, I say you crazy when I'm with my damn friends. You're not my lover, more like a brother. I know you since we were like 10. Yeah, don't mess it up, talking that shit. Only gonna push me away, that's it. When you say you love me, that made me crazy. You believe it again. Don't go look at me with that look.
You must keep practicing, guys, but you're on the right track. Any other group? That was amazing! You have a lot of talent.
Incredible, Ines. You must teach us to move like that. I'm sure we will win the contest with your help. Ah, nothing special. We'll soon have the contest who the winner is, and the addition for this is dancing with the cakes. We don't need to worry. This will be a piece of cake.
Losers! Wow, Ines, you have really dropped me. No, apologize, not talking to you privately. I regret having turned my back on you at the beginning. I wish I had behaved different.
And we, Ines, we were afraid of the reaction of the rest of the class.
Better late than never. But now, I have a duty to the group that made me feel very welcome from the beginning. And speaking of which, you must start studying for the math exam.
Well, come on then, let's go to the library and read the books.
You have 50 minutes to carefully make the process next to the answers. Good luck, guys. You can turn the test over and start. There are 5 minutes left, guys. Time to check the answers and to hand in the exams list.
Teacher, could you correct my exam now? I like the mark on my first exam here.
This answer is okay. This one is wrong. Very good. Well, Ines, congratulations. It was 5.8. Hard work pays off. You deserve it.
A 5.8 passed!
Congratulations, you are a champion. The effort you put in has paid off.
I could not have achieved it without your help. Now, let's keep on working to pass other subjects, and let's dance till we drop. We're going to bring Kevin and his group down.
Whoa, Ines, you don't know what you're saying. Each and every one of us has stood at fate.
Remember, Mary, nothing is impossible. Just use me as an example. I passed my exam, so we'll surely do a great job. But now we're going to celebrate. Let's go for an ice cream.
Yeah, delicious. I got the ice cream for me.
The days are passing, and the end of the year is already near. The four friends do not stop working both on the studies and the choreography. Being sincere, Lucy, Mary, and Andrea are better at math and literature than dancing, but Ines does not give up and wants them to repeat their dance routine again and again and again and again.
Come on, guys. That's not the way we practice. Remember, arm up and then back. We're getting there little by little.
Ines, stop pushing us with the rubbish with this.
Yes, Ines, I feel pain in parts of my body that I didn't know I had.
And what about taking a break?
Come on, 2 minutes rest and then we continue. Come on, let's go back to work. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, you see you can do it if you try real hard.
This was just a coincidence, Miss.
Remember, nothing happens by chance. I'm passing thanks to the word dedication and time that you're spending with me. This is the same and we will succeed. Come on. I twisted my ankle.
What's wrong, Ines?
I twisted my ankle.
Come on, we'll take you to the infirmary. What happened? It's the ankle right. Something similar happened to me some time ago. It doesn't look good.
It hurts a lot.
They take Ines to the infirmary and the prognosis when living could not be worse. They are returning to the gym.
I'm sorry, guys. It's very likely that I won't be able to dance in the contest. The doctor told me that I have to rest about 10 days. So I'm afraid it's going to be impossible for me to dance.
What? This can be.
This is the end for us in the contest.
There must be a solution. There must be something we can do.
Nothing can be done, my friends. Our success depends on you, and I'm going to help you win and take a good mark in PE. I will be with you all the rehearsals, and we will rehearse when we finish studying in the library. I trust you. You can do it.
How are you, Ines? What did the doctor say?
It's bad, he's right.
It's very likely that I won't be able to dance in the contest.
I told you, my friend, I have a very bad feeling.
And now, how are you going to do it? We all hope your group will beat Kevin and his sidekicks thanks to I believe in God.
Do not overhear him. He will do his best, I'm sure.
I trust my group. They will put it up, and I hope I'll be able to dance as well to beat the flag.
I wish that I would give anything to give Kevin's group a taste of their unformed sin.
We are working so hard, but there is no progress. Ines, without you it is going to be impossible.
Come on, cheer up. If I could pass the exams, you can do this as well. I trust you.
Finally, it's the day of the contest. The classmates arrive well prepared for it. The kids start to dance up. Finally, the teacher arrives. At the beginning of the class, there is no sign of Ines.
What about your dance card, kiddies? It seems she is not going to appear. Good luck. You will need it.
Well, guys. Well, the rules are very simple. As you know the dance, that's for 2 minutes. Well, I will name your group, and then you get ready to start. First group, Love Dancing with Mika, Steven, Margaret, and Nicole. Are you ready? Music and dance!
You say you love me, I say you crazy. We're nothing more than friends. You're not my lover, more like a brother. I know you since we were like 10. Yeah, don't mess it up, talking that shit. Always gonna push me
the amazing Kevin's group. Please start dancing.
I can't hold us down anymore. We gotta ride till we fall. Let me lead the vibe. I'm gonna talk to you. Yeah, I'm gonna talk to you. It won't change anything at all. We gotta ride till we fall. Anything we just rock us, living at a moment. There is supposed to be some God. They know it all. No, they don't speak our language. They say we're too savage. Yeah, no, we don't give a damn anymore. We're gonna ride till we fall. We're gonna ride till we fall. They don't speak our language. They say we're too savage. Yeah, no, we don't give a damn anymore. We're gonna ride.
Wow, that was amazing! You have set the bar really high. But there is still group waiting their turn. The Baghdad kids. Ready, steady, go!
Come on, you fools. Let's see what you can do without your lovely star. Teacher, if you allow me, I'd like to help my team as much as I can.
Of course, it's your team. You're a brave girl. Are you ready? Music and dance. You have left me speechless. Come here, guys, please, and listen to me. At the beginning of the academic year, it was unthinkable that you would be able to this performance. I'm very, very pleasantly surprised. I do have well done, guys. No worried me for a while, so I can decide on the winner. Well, it has been a contest full surprise. To tell the truth, I didn't expect this, but we need a winner, and keeping everything in mind, this year's winners are the Bendis Well, it's been a great contest. All the participants are going to pass the subject with flying colors!
After finishing the dance contest, it's time for the final exams. Ines feels prepared to face them. She has studied and worked as hard as her dance mates.
Before I sit for the exams, I just want to thank you for your help. Without you, I will not pass any subject in this quarter. And most importantly, I will be alone all the semester. Thank you very much.
No, thank you for overcoming all our fears. Without you, we never ever have thought the pyramid could get.
Of course. Thank you. You're the school's best dancer and a good friend.
All together, we form a great team.
Yeah.
Everyone does the tests and they manage to pass the exams, helped by the high self-esteem that earned them their victory in the PE contest. There is only one thing left to finish the current year, the Great School Dance Contest.
Well, Ines, congratulations. You've passed all the subjects. I hope you have a good summer. Certainly, great work with dancing. Your colleagues and their parents are very happy with what they have achieved.
Thank you very much, teacher. But now I'm also in debt to them. They have been essential for me.
Here you go. Great job. You have given us a list. Lesson. We have been talking and we want to apologize. We have behaved badly towards everyone and we promise to change.
Yes, Ines, we're sorry. You could give me a phone number and you can talk during the summer.
Yes, you are good dancers. Maybe you could teach us to move this summer.
Yes, it would be great to spend some time together during holidays. And why don't we dance together for the last performance this year? Come on! Great! Awesome idea! Let's go!
I want